How can I get the arguments I sent to ThreadPoolExecutor when iterating through future results? I use a ThreadPoolExecutor to quickly check a list of proxies to see which ones are dead or alive. My goal is to get the argument, the proxy, I passed to the executor when iterating through the results to know which exact proxies are dead or alive, so I could make a dictionary that might look like this. IP1 column false, IP2 column true, IP3 column true. One method I can think of is returning the proxy I sent on top of returning true/false, but is there a better way to do it externally so the function doesn't have to return more than just a bool?
While submitting the task, you could create a mapping from future to its proxy.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.